Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make Threads profile private, and now let's dive right in. Now to make your Threads profile private, guys, first open up your Threads app on your phone, as I have already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of the Threads app. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or a profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a two-line icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here. Now in order to proceed to make your Threads profile private, you can see the privacy option available for us, which is just below the archive and above the accessibility. Tap on the privacy option over here and you land over here, where at the top of the screen you can see the private profile option and there's a toggle icon at the right side of it. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the private profile and tap on OK. And with that being done, guys, your Threads profile will be made private. And with that being said, guys, this is how to make your Threads profile private. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.